In cases where a third party is responsible for somebody's on-the-job injury, workers' compensation will make payments to the injured worker, and they also have a claim against the person who was responsible for injuring them. As a result of that, the workers' compensation insurance company is entitled to get their money back at the end of the case, because you can't make a double recovery. You're only going to recover the money once. And essentially, what's happening is that the defendant, or the third party who was responsible for the injury, is really going to step into the shoes of the workers' compensation carrier. The good news is that in Maryland and Virginia, we don't have to pay these liens back at 100 cents on the dollar. We usually get to pay them back at 67 cents on the dollar, because we're entitled to reduce their lien by 1/3 for our attorney's fee for recovering that for them. Now, we don't use that to increase our fee. We use it to increase the amount of money that our client gets at the end of the case. In the District of Columbia, there's no absolute right to get a lien reduced. And so as a result, what sometimes happens is there's also a negotiation process. Even though there's not an absolute right to a reduced lien, we can negotiate a reduced lien, because sometimes there are benefits that remain to be gotten in the workers' compensation case, and we can use those future benefits as leverage to get the workers' compensation insurance company to reduce their lien. And once again, if this is in our client's best interest, we'll do that.